Looking to upgrade your coffee game with the perfect Delonghi machine in 2025? In this video, we're diving into the 3 best Delonghi coffee machines of 2025, handpicked for their performance, convenience, and premium features to help you brew barista-level coffee at home. And the best part? You can check out and order your favorite model right now. Just head to the links in the description below. Let's dive into the top Delonghi picks for 2025. Number 3. Delonghi Magnifica Plus. The Delonghi Magnifica Plus is packed with features to make every cup perfect and effortless. You get 18 one-touch recipes, including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, iced coffee, and more. It comes with a built-in conical burr grinder offering 13 settings for fresh grounds every time. The Latte Crema Hot system froths milk or dairy alternatives into creamy, rich foam automatically. Plus, the 3.5-inch full-touch color display makes customizing drinks quick and easy. And with 4 user profiles, everyone in the house can save their favorite drinks. Maintenance? No worries. It has removable, dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. With 1,250 watts of power and a 60-ounce water tank, it's perfect for everyday brewing. This is next-level convenience and flavor in one sleek machine. Number 2. Delonghi Rivelia. The Delonghi Rivelia is a perfect choice in 2025, ideal for anyone who wants ultimate variety, smart features, and effortless brewing in a compact Italian design. You get 16 preset recipes, full control to customize strength, size, and foam, and a 13-setting burr grinder for fresh beans every time. One of the coolest features? 2 removable bean hoppers. You can easily switch between 2 coffee types, like decaf and dark roast, using Delonghi's bean switch system. It also comes with an automatic milk frother that works with dairy or plant-based milk, using the Latte Crema Hot system, and it even cleans itself. Cold foam? There's an optional upgrade. And if you're new to espresso machines, no worries. It gives you step-by-step guidance on grind, dose, and temp right on the screen. With a 47-ounce tank, 1,450 watts of power, and sleek Italian design, the Rivelia makes cafe-quality drinks super easy. Number 1. Delonghi Eletta. The Delonghi Eletta Explorer is a smart, all-in-one espresso machine with 50-plus one-touch recipes, from espresso and cappuccino to iced lattes and cold brews. It features a built-in grinder with 13 settings, so you get freshly ground coffee just the way you like it. In a hurry? Get a refreshing cold brew in under 3 minutes with Delonghi's cold extraction tech. The 3.5-inch touchscreen display is simple and intuitive, letting you scroll through drinks and make custom selections with ease. And yes, a travel mug is included, and it brews directly into it, up to 16 ounces. I hope you found this list of the 3 best Delonghi coffee machines helpful. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals, full specs, and current availability on each model. Got a favorite Delonghi machine or a coffee tip to share? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know what you're brewing at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, happy brewing.